Okay. Another thing, why did we ask this question? For everybody's information, actually, like every year is celebrating birthdays. Okay? Who knows the other birthday?
June 3rd.
Okay, who?
June 3rd.
Walang Rose, ano? Oh,
June 3rd.
yes, June 3rd. Every year, Auntie Lila is celebrating 2 birthdays because she was born last May 21, but she was registered last June 3. So, okay na ba yun? Mas nakilala ba natin si Auntie? Meron bang na-experience? Okay, so Grace, dito. Dito ka na, connect.
Flower ni Lola nahulog. Okay. Nikki, kaya natin ito.
Okay, next trivia question is, who can name Lola Lila's 6 children?